Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to import data using SQL Server and also how to connect direct query and also how to connect SQL Server analysis services. We'll see different options that are available while connecting. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning and MSBI and also Power BI and DAX. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for time being, there is nothing in this Power BI desktop. So now I'm going to connect. So how to import data using Excel files? We'll try to see that. So first of all, I'm just clicking this import button. So I'm just clicking. So now we can see that where it's giving the which location from where the files you want to pick. So I'm choosing this Excel file. So now it's connecting. Okay, so it's still loading, so we'll wait until let's once. Yeah, now you can see that. So this is the in the Excel file, these are the tables available. So category, customer and geography, internet sales, product sales, territory, subcategory. So we'll try to load all these tables into our Power BI desktop. So you can select one by one. Okay, so now we can see that there are two options are there. One is load, another one is transform data. If we click on load, automatically what are the tables we are trying to select here, so it will be loaded into the Power BI desktop. In case if we select a transform data, automatically it will open the Power Query editor, so before loading data into Power BI desktop. So for timing, we'll try to load whole tables into our Power BI desktop by clicking the load option. Just click on load. Now it will take some around 30-40 seconds to process all the queries because auto detect relationship is there, so that is the reason it will take some time to load the queries. We'll wait for that. So still it's processing queries, detecting automatic relationship transformations, everything it will do in the background. So we'll wait. So instead of skipping, we'll wait to load complete all the tables into Power BI desktop. So basically this is the import mode. Okay, whatever I'm doing, this is called import mode, because so in the import mode, so we have loading all the tables data into this Power BI desktop. Okay, so we'll try to see where we can check whether it is import mode or direct query mode or live connection. We'll try to explore all possible options in today's video. Still it's loading. Okay, I think it's almost close to, so wrap up the load. Okay, yes, it's done. So now it's loading. Yes, still it's taking time. So it all depends on the data and also RAM. So many factors are involved for processing speed or slow. Still it's taking time. Okay, so usually it won't take much time, but unfortunately today it's taking a lot of time to load all these tables. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So we'll learn step by step. Yeah, that's it. So now the data has been loaded successfully in the Power BI desktop by using import option. Okay, so if you place the mouse over any of the table, for example category, now you can see that so there are three information. Name is category, storage mode import, when it is last refreshed. So it's showing the timestamp, right? So for every table, if you place the mouse or you can see that what kind of storage mode whether it is import or direct or live connection. We can see by placing mouse over on any table, we can understand so whether it is import mode or not. Basically in the import mode we can see that so three tabs, one is report, another one is data, another one is model. So in the report tab we can design any kind of report and all. So this is basically we can use to design all the reports and all. In the data tab we can so see the data, what kind of data we have imported in this Power BI desktop. Okay, in the data tab we can see that what kind of data we have imported in the Power BI desktop. Now we can able to see the all the data that is available within these tables and all, right? So in the model tab we can see the relationship between the tables. Okay, whatever the tables we have imported in this Power BI desktop, we can able to see all the relationship that we have established between the tables and other dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, this is the import mode. Okay, now we'll try to connect so direct query mode. How to do that, we'll try to see that. So for connecting direct query mode, I am using the SQL Server database. So now we can see that import data from SQL Server database. We'll just click on. So okay, it is asking the server name, so I'm giving the localhost. So database I'm not giving, so I'm using the direct query mode option. We'll try to see that import later. For timing I'm trying to connect direct query, so just click on OK. So if you notice, so many databases are there in my server, so we'll try to connect at least one database, and we'll try to import one or two tables so that we can able to see so what will happen if we connect direct query mode. Already import is available in our Power BI desktop. For example, I'm just trying to so select dim account and dim currency. Okay, from the direct query mode from the SQL Server, I'm just trying to load these two tables. Okay, I'm just trying to connect these two tables, dim account as well as dim currency. So just click on load. So yeah, it's started. So it is asking some kind of warning window box. So what it asking, potential security risk when you add second data source, information from one data source might include queries. So do you want to build this model? Yes, just click on OK. So it's creating the connections and detecting the relationship and all. Now so first time we have imported data from Excel, that is import mode. In the second time we are trying to connect so SQL Server database by using direct query mode. If you notice here, storage mode, it's a mixed. Okay, so if you notice here, storage mode is mixed. So mixed, why it is mixed means, so basically already in the first time we have used import mode from the Excel, but second time we are trying to connect so different storage like direct query instead of import. So that is the reason it's got mixed mode. Okay, even you can verify that is also. So we'll try to see that. If you place the mouse over here, we can see that dim account, so name is dim account table, storage mode is direct query. So what is the source type, whether it is Excel or SQL Server or Oracle Teradata. So it is clearly so giving all the information by placing the mouse on the respective table and all. Even you can see here also. And also we'll try to understand whether you can able to see the data or not. So go to the dim account. Now you can see the table uses direct query cannot be shown here. So whatever the table we have imported, we have connected into the direct query, we can't able to see the data here. Okay, even dim currency also, so dim currency also we can't able to see that because it's disabled, because that is a direct query mode option, it's not imported. Okay, see it's a mixed mode. And also we'll try to connect so live connection also, we'll see that is also. So for timing I'm trying to remove all the date, so that will not get confusion. So delete from model, and also remaining tables also will try to delete. Okay, so okay, this table is there, I'll try to delete. So I think so we have deleted all the tables. So now this time we will try to connect live connection through SQL Server analysis database. Okay, so just click on, so go to data. So now we can see that analysis services, right? So just click on this one. So now it is asking what is the server name, what is the database, whether you want to connect through import or connect live. So for timing, so I'll try to connect data. Just click on analysis services. I'm just copying the server name. So okay, so connect live. So I don't want import, so I'm just using the connect live option. Just click OK. So okay, click OK. So now it is, yeah, now we can see that live connection, right? So when the first time in Excel, when I loaded first time, it's imported. So after that I'm trying to connect a SQL Server database by using direct query mode. In that it's a mixed option. Now by connecting SQL Server database, SQL Server analysis services using a live connection, now you can able to see that live connection, it's connected. Okay, so but here one important thing is that we can't able to see the data as well as the model tab. Okay, we can able to see the only the report tab, remaining two tabs are there's no here once we connect live connection by using SQL Server analysis services. But in case of import mode, we can see that report as well as data and model. But when you use the direct query mode option by using any kind of SQL Server database and all, so we used to report as well as model, there is no direct query option. Okay, so these are the different kind of variations if you connect import or direct query mode or live connection. So in going forward, we will try to understand how to write queries by using SQL Server and how to connect it, and also we'll try to explore import option also. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.